following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. An unidentified virus strain is rapidly spreading across the Midwestern United States. The first reports of the virus are believed to have originated from Indiana University in Bloomington, Indiana. As of 10:23 a.m. it is believed to have spread across the state of Indiana and has most likely spread to adjacent states. Symptoms of this virus include initial nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control, and unconsciousness. Reports from Indiana University have also reported several infected victims showing uncontrollable rage and aggression towards anyone within sight. At any time, they may attempt to cause massive damage to the surrounding areas. Because the virus is airborne, authorities recommend that the following precautions be taken by any and all members of the public. Stay indoors, turn off all heating and air conditioning systems, wear breathing masks to avoid infection, have enough canned food and clean water to last 3 to 6 weeks. Do not contact 911 services unless it is an emergency. Phone lines should be kept open for emergency personnel. If you catch this virus and show any of the mentioned symptoms, you will be quarantined in your home for an indefinite period of time. Any citizens not in the state of Indiana should also take these precautions to avoid infection. If the virus continues to spread, these actions will be taken by your government as well. Most importantly, remain calm. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated.